Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartwatch Amazfit GTS 4 Mini in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Xiaomi introduced the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini smartwatch last month in the US, and the European debut of the new product took place at IFA 2022 in Germany. The device will be sold in Germany for the time being. Later the sales geography will be expanded. The price of the GTS 4 Mini in the old world is €100. The watch is equipped with a 1.65-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 384 by 336 pixels and support for the always-on display function. Battery capacity is 270 mAh. Typical autonomy 15 days, in power-saving mode, up to 45 days. The smartwatch supports heart rate and SPO2 monitoring, and can also assess stress levels and sleep quality. There are 120 sports modes, including swimming. There is a water resistance of 5 atm. The built-in satellite navigation receiver, all key systems are supported, will allow you not to get lost in the forest, and Zepp OS acts as a software platform. This concludes the review. Bye-bye.